Welcome to Top 10 Counting.
Subscribe and click on bell icon.
Today we show you
Top 10 record-shattering alien planets. Scientists have been making their discoveries of stars and planets in the universe every now and then. Our solar system is vast, placed in a bigger-sized white galaxy in the vast universe, which makes it almost impossible for us to know and be aware of every star and planet which exists in the same universe as we live in. Scientists have always been in the process since decades now to be able to identify and discover new stars and planets. As there is way too much to be known about the universe and the solar system, some of these discovered planets might or may not come of any use to us Earthlings. Yet just knowing and getting aware of certain peculiar things about these planets is extremely fascinating with surprising facts. Every planet is different from the other. With every new planet come new facts and new stories revealed connecting to the vast universe we stay in. For scientists, studying these planets not only help them build up their knowledge more about the solar system, but also helps them find the usability, their existence and the life support or the kind of living organisms which could perhaps be inhabiting that particular planet, thus serving as a support for science and astronomy in general. Here is a list of the top 10 record-breaking shattering alien planets, amongst all the others that have been found and discovered.
Number 10.
Kepler 10c. The Kepler 10c is known to be the biggest rocky planet in our galaxy, as planets of such massive size similar to Saturn and Neptune planets pull in a large amount of helium and hydrogen. This planet is about 2.3 times the size of planet Earth, and has a mass 17 times greater and denser than the mass of our planet. The heavy density of this planet has been pointed out to the fact that this planet has been built up of rocks and other solids, thus giving it the huge massive size and categorizing it under mini Neptunes.
Number 9.
GJ1214b. The GJ1214b is known to be a planet which is definitely larger than the size of Earth, and the prominent feature of this planet is that although the surface of this planet has a much higher temperature compared to that of our planet, a huge fraction of GJ1214b is completely made up of water. The atmosphere and the surface of this planet is not pure water, but a different version of water which is combined of hot ice and superfluid water, due to the planet's high temperature and pressure.
Number 8.
BD plus 2017-90b. This planet is supposed to be the youngest planet in the solar system as it was just born about 35 million years ago, which makes a planet like Earth 100 times older than this new young planet. Scientists have been figuring out a similar twin to this planet as young planets such as these send strong magnetic fields that generate sunspot and solar flares. Such planets are very active compared to the older ones and also very difficult to find and discover.
Number 7.
Captain B. After talking of the youngest, we move on to talking about the oldest planet in our galaxy and also one of the closest planets to our solar system. The Captain B. Very similarly aged planets to the Captain B have been found in another galaxy, Omega Centauri, which was formed after our own galaxy. The Milky Way absorbed this entire galaxy and sent planets and stars scattering in the space, after which the Omega Centauri was born, which still has planets similar to Captain B. This planet could also be capable of supporting life forms irrespective of it being formed 2 billion years after the Big Bang.
Number 6.
Coro-XO7b. The planet Coro-XO7b is known to have the fastest orbits amongst all the other planets. Scientists have discovered this planet is 8 times the weight of Earth, but is less than twice the width of our planet. The unique feature of this planet is that it was spotted by the scientists using the transit method, which helps measure a planet's mass and radius, as earlier scientists only knew methods to determine the mass of a planet. While our planet takes along 8,766 hours to complete the revolution in one orbit around the Sun, this scorching and lava-covered planet goes around a fast and quick 20 hours to complete the orbit.
Number 5.
Ogle 2005 BLG 390 liters b. This planet is the coldest planet existing in the universe, with a record cold temperature of -200 degrees Celsius. This planet is also considered as the farthest exoplanet as it is 28,000 light-years away from the Earth. Due to this huge distance from its star, it takes about 10 Earth years to orbit it, with the star extremely small in size compared to the Earth's star.
Number 4.
Kepler 70b. Kepler 70b is known to have broken many a record from being the hottest planet in the universe with a scorching temperature of more than 2000 degrees Celsius, but it also has its orbit closest to the star. The distance between Sun and Mercury in our solar system is 65 times more than the distance between this planet and its star. This planet has the highest velocity, and a unique feature about this planet is that unlike the other stars which explode on becoming a red giant, this star stabilized and cooled down and released all the gas giant planets in the atmosphere.
Number 3.
Koi 314c. This planet is known to be the lightest planet in our universe, having the same mass density as Earth. Due to its large content of hydrogen and helium, this planet is almost 60% larger than Earth. This planet was compared to its neighboring planet known as Koi 314b, and it was noticed that these two planets tug onto each other due to a gravitational pull, thus bringing about a change in the time each of the planets take to transit their star. Because Koi 314b was a much denser planet weighing more than 4 times of the planet Earth, Koi 314c becomes a mere fraction of its weight, making this planet the lightest to be known.
Number 2.
TRES-2b. The TRES-2b is known to be the darkest planet known in the universe, which is even darker than the darkest planet of our solar system, the Mercury. While Mercury reflects about 10% of the Sun's light, this darkest planet reflects less than 1% of the light from its star, thus making this planet as dark and less reflective as coal or black acrylic paint.
Number 1.
Alt B, the zombie planet. Stranger than its name, this planet is equally bizarre in its orbital movement, thus claiming to have the weirdest orbit in the whole of the universe. Born out of dust and dead, which is also why it's called the zombie planet. The planet also orbits in a zigzag manner, and no one really knows why. This zigzag movement of the planet is why it is called a zombie planet, as it tends to move like zombie in a strange and haywire manner, the exact reason for which is still unknown.
Thanks for watching.
Like us, comment, share and subscribe us.